Welcome to the another topic video of Fyi Today. In this video, I gonna show you how to make dependent dynamic filter on your dataset. So, if you are new in our channel, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon to get notification for every new videos. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, prepare the data or start working on your own dataset. Here I have the data like this. Here I am showing how to start the working. After preparation of data, we need a helper sheet which will work on background only. After that, fetch the required data from main sheet. As you see that I am taking list of header row. Now putting the header column names like A column, B column, C column to L. After that, we will prepare the data validation from the header of master sheet. As you can see, now check the data validation is working properly. Yes. Now we will create a result using index match because we need the required data based on header selected on data validation. This is the result of that. Now we need the unique index match result. So use the unique function, and then as you can see the unique data is showing here. Now it's time to prepare the report sheet where the report will be generated. Now take the data validation cell from helper sheet to report sheet. As you can see, when I select the header on report, the helper sheet is changing the data accordingly. So it's time to prepare one more data validation of helper sheet created the result. Now selection criteria is ready to work. So it's time to prepare the result of selection criteria, which we will create it through query function. Because we need query should work according to make selection of above criteria. So we have to work on make query function dynamic. Here is the trick behind this. Have a look. As you can see that I have selected in our data set product is on column E. So we need to put dynamic column number on query. That's why I am creating through simply VLOOKUP function here. After that, I am preparing select section of query formula, and after making that completely, I am going to put that in query cell. Let's see. Now you can see the result, how it works. I hope you understand that how to create dynamic dependent filter for your dataset. If you like the video, give a thumbs up to me. It will keep motivated for creating more and more tricks for you. And also, if you have any suggestion or any query, then leave the message on comment box. I will read and try to reply of them. Now, thanks for watching and see you in next topic video. Till then, keep learning.